press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, today we are continuing our class in data handling. We all know what is data and how to arrange the data is known as data handling. Data is nothing but the collection of information from magazines or newspapers, whatever in class or whatever the data in certain proper order if you connect is known as data, and handling means just we have to represent through it bar graphs or pictographs, whatever it may be, how it will be convenient for the ordinary people to understand, that is known as data handling. How we are handling the data is known as data handling. In yesterday's class also I told you people what is median, mode and mean. Mean, median and what? Mode. And mode. What is mean? Mean is nothing but we did the problems yesterday. The sum of observations divided by total number of observations. Correct children? Arithmetic mean is also called as mean, and average of the given data is also known as mean. Like that there are different formulae for the mean. Mean andre the sum of observations divided by total number of observations. Sum of observations divided by total number of observations. And what is median? Median is nothing but middle term of the given expression. Median is that in what is median? Middle term of given observations when they arranged in ascending order or descending order. Ascending order or descending order. Median means middle term of the given expression when they arranged in ascending order or descending order. Okay. If the elements are like this people, 21, 11, 10, 5, 6. How many observations are there? 21, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct children? There are 5 observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct children? 5 observations are there. First, what I am telling you children, we have to arrange them in ascending order or descending order. What is the ascending order for these children? 5, 6, 10, 11, 12. The middle term is this one. Here there are 2 which gives the central tendency. The 2 terms are above the expressions and 2 terms are below the expression. Here only 5 terms are there. That's why we can easily tell if they are more, they are 101, they are 105, like that numbers are there. How we can? That's why just there is one formula called n plus 1 by 2. N plus 1 by 2 term is called median of the given expression, is called median of the given observations. Median of the given observations. N plus 1 by 2th term. 2th term is called the median of the given observations. And then children, here if they are odd even number of observations, no need for you children. Here in this chapter you have only n plus 1 by 2, it is enough for you children, okay. Otherwise you can take 1 by 2 into n plus 1. If you have even number of observations n by 2 plus 1, n by 2 plus 1, like that you have to do. And then mode. Mode means in our previous class also I told you children, mode is the value of a variable which occur more frequently. Mode is a value of a variable which occurs more frequently. In the given observations. More ಯಾದಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸರಿ. In the given observation, which number is going to be repeatedly and repeatedly. That is known as mode of the given observation. If the numbers are like this, 1, 2, 5, 4, 5, 5, 6, 1 like this. Here 1 is repeated 2 times, 2 is only 1 time, 5 is repeated 1, 2, 3 times, 4 1 time and 6 1 time. Which is the more occurring element in this data? 5 is appearing 3 times. That's why the mode of the given expression is the value of the variable which occurs more frequently. Already we discussed it in our previous class only. Which occurs more frequently in the given data is known as mode. Correct? The whole exercise 3.2 is related on this mean, median and mode of the given data. Median we are finding for the odd number of expressions, odd number of observations only. Even number of observation andre n by 2 plus 1, that is not there in our book. Okay, exercise 3.2 just we are going now. First one, what is the first question? The scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follows. In the question itself only they are giving the scores of a student in mathematics test out of 25. Or how they are? 19, 25, 23, 20, 9, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12, 20. Correct, children? Find the mode and median of this data. And median of this data. Or they are same. We have to check whether they are same or not. Correct, children? Here what happened here? Just they are given some information about 15 students. That means odd number of observations they are giving. The observation is related to the scores of students in mathematics out of 25. Just given data anta first idu barkonbidana. After that just we have to arrange them in ascending order or descending order. Which one is convenient for you? Like that just arrange. Solution. Given the marks of 15 students are, the marks of 15 students are 19, 25, 23, 20, 9, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12 and 20. Correct, children? And what I am telling you people, just we have to arrange them in ascending order or descending order. Just we have to arrange them in ascending order or descending order. Ascending order. For above data is is ascending order for the above data is just which one is the smallest element? 5 and then check 9 and then 10 12 and then see, check, glance it, 15 16 correct, 15 16 19 21 20 20 20 20 20 and then 23 and then 23 and then 24 one time, 25 two times. Correct, children? Correct? How many numbers are there? Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. One number is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There 15 numbers are there. Five, 9, 10, 12, 13, 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 numbers only there. See, 5 I have written, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 19, 20, 20, 20, 20. Here 4 20s it will come. Okay? 9, 5, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 19, 20, 20, 20, 20, 23, 24, 25, 25. Okay, this is the ascending order for the above data. What is median? Median, what is median? The middle term of the given, the middle term of the given observations in ascending order. Observations in ascending order, which will give the central tendency. Here, see here, children. How many number of observations are there? 15. How many number of observations are there? 50. Here there are 15 odd number of observations. Odd number of observations. If odd number of observations are there, what is the middle term? N plus 1 by second term is known as odd number of observations. Therefore, N plus 1 by second term is the median. Correct? N plus 1 by second term is the median. What is n plus 1 by term? How many? What is the value of n? Where n is odd number. What is the odd number that they have taken? 15 number of observation. N is 15. 15 plus 1 by 2. 15 plus 1 by 2, 60 by 8th term. 1 za, 8 za. 8th term of the given expression in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the 8th term? 8th term is 20. 8th term is 20. 8th term is 20. Therefore, 20 is the median of the given data. And about mode. And about mode. Mode andre ಏನು? The most frequently coming element. Correct? Mode. What is mode definition? First we have to write. The mode is the value of a variable. The mode is the value of the variable which occurs more frequently. More frequently in given data. In given data. The mode is the value of the variable which occur more frequently in the given data. Correct? Which is the more occurring element? 20 comes 4 times, 5 comes 1 time, 9 1 time, 10 1 time, 12 1 time, 15 1 time, 16 1 time, 19 1 time. Here 20 will comes 4 times, 23 will come 1 time, 24 will come 1 time, 25 will come 2 times. How many times 20 is coming here? 4 times. That's why therefore 20 comes 4 times in the given data. Data or observations you can write in the given data. Therefore 20 is the mode of the given observations. Given observations. Here median is also 20. Mode is also 20. Therefore what we can say? Therefore median equals to mode equals to 20. What we have to write next? In next line you have to write therefore median and mode of the given data is 20. Same. Okay children, just move to the next question. Second question is the runs scored in a cricket match by the runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. What is the score of the cricketer? 6, 50, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10, 15, 8, 10, 15. Find the mean mode and median of the given data. Median of the given data. Here see here children, what we have to do andre, here some scores of the cricketers by 11 players they have given. Just we have to find mean, median and mode for the given data. Correct? Just we have to write first the given scores of 11 players are the scores of 11 players are the scores of 11 players are 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 50, 8, 10, 15. Okay. What we have to do? We have to do the mean, median and mode of the given data. Mean, median and mode of the given data. Nodi, here just first I am finding mean and median and then I am asking you to find arithmetic mean. Ascending order of given data. Ascending order of given data. Which one will this? Small 6, 10, 10, 6, 10, 10, 6, 8, 10, 10, 150, 2, 3. Correct? And then 50, 80, 100, 120, 100, 120. Ascending order of the given data is like this. Just I am finding here median. Median andre enu? How many terms are there? 11 terms, 11 scores are there. That's why this is odd number of expressions. We will get the middle term by n plus 1 by term, the median. Middle term is equals to n plus 1 by second term. N plus 1 by 2, 1 plus 11 plus 2, 12. 12 by 2, sixth term. What is the sixth term in the given data? Just I have to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 15. Sixth term. Therefore, sixth term is equals to 15. 15. Therefore, 15 is the median of the given data. 16 is the median of the given data of the given data of the given data. And then what is now mode? What is now mode? Mode. Mode, how we will get? Mode, it is most. Well, how? For just write the definition. It is most. Most alla more. Occurring frequently. Occurring element in the data. Most occurring, frequently occurring element in the data. What is the more frequently occurring element in the data? 15. 15 will come 3 times alla. Adike therefore 15 is the mode. Correct? And then median. Here if you observe one thing, here also the median and mode of the given data is same, because here also sixth term, there also 15 is the repeated element, that is 3 times, and median. Sorry. Now we have to find the mean. 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 What is mean? Mean equals to sum of the observations. That means sum of the scores divided by total number of scores we are taken. Mean equals to sum of observations divided by total number of observations divided by total number of observations. Correct? Sum of the observation is nothing but just we have to take the sum of all these. 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 50 plus 80 plus 100 plus 120 divided by 11. 6 plus 8. What is 6 plus 8? 14. 14 plus 20. 14 plus 20, 34. 34 plus 30. 34 plus 30, 64. 64 plus 50, 79. 79. 79 plus 50, 130, 130, 250, 350, 350. Correct? 429 will come. 429 divided by 11. 1s are, 3s are, 39. 39. Therefore, mean of the given data is 39. Mean of the given data is 39. And just I am moving to the next question, children. Okay, children, the third question is the weights in kgs of 15 students of class or the weights in kgs of 15 students of a class of 38, 42, 35, 37, 45, 50, 32, 43, 43, 40, 36, 38, 43, 38, 37. Sorry, 47. Find the mode. Mode and median of the data state whether they are same. Sorry, question is there? Is there more than one mode? Is there more than one mode? Here, what we have to find by using the given information, just we have to find the mean and mode of the mean not mode and median of the given data. How we have to find? Just we have to write the given data is, after that just the ascending order of the given data. You have to write the given data is and tell me to just you have to write these cases and then the ascending order and the ascending order of the data given data, ascending order of the given data. Sorry. The ascending order of the given data. What is the ascending order? First we will get, which one we will get first? 32, 35, 36, 37, 38, 36, 37, 38, 38 in an 38 two times, and then 40, 42, 43, 43, 45, 47 and 50. 47, 50. Correct, children? 15 students, just I am counting, 15 are there or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 43 will come 3 times. Okay, see here children, what we have to find here? Mode and median. What you have to find here? Mode and median. Mode definition you have to write here. The more frequently occurring number or element in the data is called element in the data is called mode. See here, 32 is coming one time, 35 one time, 36 one time, 37 one time, 38 3 times, 40 one time, 42 one time, 43 3 times, 45 one time, 47 one time, 40, 50 3 times. It is very clear that 38 and 43 is coming 2 times. The weights of the 15 students, 38 is of weight of 3 students and 43 is weight of 3 students. Correct? Here it is very clear that 38 and 43 is the weight of 3 students. Weights of 3 students. Weights of 3 students. Therefore, both 38 and 43 are the mode of the given data. Median. What about median? The middle term in the given expression is the median. It will come by 1 plus 1 by 2, n plus 1 by 2 term. Correct? How many terms are there? 15 terms are there plus 1 by 2. 15 terms are there plus 1 by 2. 15 plus 1, 16 by 2. 1s are 8s are what it is? 8th term of the given data. Here it is the 8th term of the given data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 40 is the 8th term. 8th term 40. Therefore, 40 is the median of the given data. 40 is the median of the given data. Correct, children? And then what they are asking us, children? Is there more than one mode? Is there more than one mode? Yes, there are two modes. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದುಗಿನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮೋಡ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವ. ಹೌದು, here there are two modes, 38 and 43. That's why what you have to write for the second question. Yes, there are two modes in the given observations. Okay, children, just we are moving to the next question. What is that? Find the mode and median of the given data. Find the mode and median of the given data. Fourth one. Find the mode and median of the given data. 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13, 14. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct? What they are asking? Mode and median we have to find. Mode and median we have to find. Mode. Just first you have to write given (13) Just we have to arrange it in ascending order. The ascending order of the ascending order of the above data is. First you will get 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 14 and then 16 and then 19. Just I am counting 9 terms are not there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. What is median? N plus 1 by second term. Correct? 9 plus 1 by 2th term. 3 is 10 by 2. That is 5th term. Because 1's are 5's are correct. Therefore, 5th term enagutte? That implies median equals to 5th term equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the median? 14. 14 is the median of the given data. And the mode. What is the most occurring element? 12 come 2 times, 13 come 2 times, 14 come 3 times, 16 1 time. This one is 1 time. So which one is the most occurring element? The mode. First you have to write the definition here and then you have to write 14 is the most frequently occurring element, most frequency occurring element. Therefore 14 is mode of the data, mode of the data. Nodi, if you observe one thing, mode and median of the data is same. Therefore you have to write mode and median of the data is 14. Okay, just move on to the next question, children. Fifth one. Tell whether the statement is true or false. Tell whether the statement is true or false. The mode is always one of the numbers in a data. The mean is one of the number in the data. The median is always one of the number in the data. The data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, 9 has a mean of 9. Okay. First one, what it is? The mode is always one of the numbers in the data. Correct? True, because the mode is most occurring element in the data. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೋ ದಿ ಡಾಟಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೋ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದೇ ನಮಗೆ ಮೋಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಟ್ರೂ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಟ್ರೂ. ಟ್ರೂ, ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗಿವೆನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ because mode is most, ಏನು mode? More frequently, more or most you can write there. Frequently occurring variable in the data. The statement is true. The statement is true. Second, the mean is one of the numbers in the data. You can tell that the mean is number of the numbers in the data. No, we can't tell like that. Correct? Because the addition of the numbers has to be happened, divided by that you have to have. No, it is not. The statement is false. And the third one is the median is always one of the numbers in the data. This is also correct because the ninth, here only the fifth term, sixth term, seventh term, eighth term, whatever that is, what is the middle term that is in the given data only. That's why the median is also the given data, variable in the data. The given statement is median is middle term, nothing but middle term. Therefore the given statement is true. The given statement is true. The data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13. 6, 4, 8, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13. 9 has a mean of 9. Mean of 9. ಇದೆಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಮೀನು 9 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Just have to check and tell whether the mean is 9 or not. What is the mean? Mean equals to sum of observations divided by total number of observations. Total number of observations. What is the sum of the observations? 6 plus 4 plus AM equals to 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 12 plus 13 plus 9 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many expressions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct? Divided by 8. 6 plus 4, 10, 10, 13, 13, 21, 21 plus 9, 30, 42, 42, 42 plus 13, 55, 55 plus 9, 64. 64 divided by 8. Correct? 1s are 8s are. Therefore, mean of the data given is 8, not 9. Okay, children? Thank you. I hope you understand it. Thank you, children.